Hi everyone, just another quick update on the car since my video earlier in the week. Obviously after doing the water pump, the belt was making a noise because it got contaminated with some oil or something whilst I was changing the water pump. It was making a bit of a strange noise, but we worked out that it was the belt. So I fitted a new belt earlier today that you can see just down there. And contrary to all the how-to guides, I didn't need to remove the fan. There was actually enough space in between the fan and the pulley down there to get the new belt on, and tensioned it all up down there. I don't know if you can see down there, there's an arrow and a scale. So I did that, got that all tensioned, and it's now lovely and quiet. Giving the engine bay a little wipe over. Didn't want to pressure wash it or anything, as I said, because I'm scared about the wiring loom, just so it looks a bit nicer. Then got the car into the workshop and replaced the front and rear brake hoses. The back ones look like they've been done before, but we're going to do them anyway, so everything's fresh. So they were replaced. The front ones were nearly impossible. It was very difficult to get them off, but we eventually got them off, changed them over, and then did another brake fluid flush, a full flush of the system. So yeah, did a full flush of that, tightened everything up, checked everything's all good. Then I've been meaning to clean underneath so I can start the lanyard guard and the treatment of the rust underneath. So I've got a contraption, I'll just show you it here, that attaches to the pressure washer. So it just attaches to the karcher, and it's got a couple of four spray nozzles on it. So I just foamed all underneath, sprayed all underneath with foam, gave it a little scrub with a long broomy brush. On the underside, left it for 5 minutes, and then pressure washed it off with that. And I don't know if you can see, I'll just show you underneath. Yeah, but it's come up pretty well, I think. So it's just drying now. That's why I've got the car in the oven, just to get it all completely dried out before I start treating any of the rust and applying the lanyard guard. I did finished a 3-step polish on the outside. And also just applied some chemical guys, butter wax, carnauba wax, polymer and carnauba wax, just because I don't want to ceramic coat it yet. I will ceramic coat it, but obviously the paint's quite fresh, so I applied that. It looks pretty good, obviously with all the lights on it in the oven. It looks a bit different than how it normally does, but yeah, that's all done, all cleaned underneath. So next week I've still got the gearbox oil change to do and filter, so I'll do that. And then I'll start treating rust underneath. Probably do that a couple of times, and then apply some lanyard guard to it so it's protected. All right, thanks very much for watching, bye.